Look, another bit is landed. Oh, it's landed. I saw it landing, my God, landing on the fountain. Oh, it is magical. Absolutely amazing, guys. It is really just amazing to see. Amazing to see. Wow, guys, that's so beautiful. Look at it, look at it, look at what it's doing. It's amazing. Oh, but it's enjoying the water. Look, it's enjoying the water, it's enjoying the water. Getting some cool. Getting some cool on the water. Look, it's sitting there now. Wow, amazing, amazing, amazing. Guys, you can put me on this channel or subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you for now. Oh, the other bag is back. Oh, guys, look at that, look at that. Wow.